In chapter 6, we are going to talk about the import, and if you notice, we already have two separate files. One is zombie feeding and the other is zombie factory. So instead of just one piece of file, it's separated into two files. And our codes are getting pretty long, so we split up into multiple files. And this is how you handle the long code base in Solidity project. So when you have multiple files and you want to import one file from another, Solidity use the import keyword. So for example, if there is another contract, some other contract from another file, and this is inside this .sol file, and we will use import, and then / means they are in the same directory. So we will use / some other contract.sol. And now we are going to put to the test, and we already set up multiple file structure, and we need to use import to read the content of the other file. So import zombie factory.sol into our new file. So we copy this, open the double quote, and paste to here, the zombie factory.sol, and click semicolon, and then we press check answer,